Anatomy of the guitar. In this session we'll be familiarizing ourselves with the various parts of a guitar and we will have a better understanding of the parts and its functions. The guitar is divided into three different sections. We have 1. The head, 2. The neck, and 3. The body. The section of the head consists of the headstock, the tuning pegs, truss rod cover, and the nut. The section of the neck consists of the neck, the frets, the fretboard, also called the fingerboard, the position marker, also called the frets markers. The section of the body consists of the body, saddle, string peg, sound hole, pickups, pick guard, pickup selector, strap pin, strings pegs, bridge, tailpiece, volume, or tone knobs. Knowing and identifying the parts of the guitar is one thing you must do as a beginner, and also knowing its functions is very important. Here are the parts and its functions. The neck. A long narrow parts of the guitar where you can find the strings. It is on the bottom with the fingerboard, or fretboard is on top. The fingerboard, or fretboard. This is the flat place you hold the strings. It composes of frets and position marker, or fret wire. The headstock. This the wooden piece at the end of the neck where the tuning pegs are located. This is also where the strings end. The fret wire. This is thin metal strips that go across the fretboard. It's divided the fretboard into intervals. The fret. This is a space between two frets wire. It's also a gap in which to place your fingers to create notes. The tuning pegs. You turn this to tune the guitar. The bridge. This is the small metal or plastic bit on the body of the guitar that the strings is attached to, right next to the sound hole. The sound hole. It generates sound from the vibration of the strings. The strap button. Where the strap attaches to, on the guitar. Nut. Slotted piece of plastic or brass through which strings run. It keys the strings in place and is where the vibrating section of string ends. Pickup. Magnetically pick up the vibration of the strings and amplify the sound. Volume control. Adjust the loudness of the guitar through the amplifier. Tone controls. Adjust the bass and treble sound of the guitar through the amplifier. Body. Usually made of 2 or 3 pieces of wood glued together.